the show, get my heard on my Stylist John.
Girl, he been sewing?
Yes, girl, he can do a lot of things.
Girl, what all sewing can he do?
Girl, he can do a half sew in, a full sew in, side part, exit, two-part exit, swoop bang, 360 lace front. He even sells hair. Girl, you should book your appointment with him.
Break down on your hair, what style do you need? I can do them all, I'ma treat you like a queen. Let go of your curves while I'm sewing in your hair. Here's a glass of bubbly chocolate strawberries I care. I'ma pamper you, you can take off of your shoes and just sit back while I do your do. It's just gonna be a few hours like 2. Then I'ma cut and style up your hair a new you. I'ma help maintenance your hair. Come back every month, I'ma refresh your threads in your hair every month. In the process it will grow closer to the flow. Your natural hair will grow relentless like Rapunzel to the flow. I got inches, girl swing your hair, girl swing your hair. I got inches, Stylist John did my sewing, girl, let them do your sewing. I got inches, girl swing your hair, girl swing your hair. I got inches, Stylist John did my sewing, girl, let them do your sewing. Every time you come to me, I'ma grow your hair.
Front door.
Stylist John, check it out. Over 5.6 billion people got textured hair. I specialize in natural hairstyling and texture. If you need your hair to grow, I can help your hair grow 6 inches in 6 months. Yes, it's possible for your hair to grow 6 inches in 6 months. It's very possible. Book me online, www.stylistjohn.com. Check out some of my pictures, videos. I got pictures of sew-ins I've done. I got pictures of silk presses. I got pictures of textured hair, rod sets, roller sets, twist outs, wash and goes. I provide all of that. I love using Design Essential products. I stand by them. I'm a firm believer in black-owned companies and black-owned business. And look, 5.6 billion people have textured hair. I at least want to touch 1 million of them. And if you are also a person that likes, you love natural hair and you enjoy braiding and styling and twisting and doing locks, join my team. You can join my team. I have workshops, I have classes available. They start at $500 and go probably to $1,500, depending on what level you at. And I'm gonna help you get certified as a braider, so that way you can work in the shop and I can put you in a salon suite. So yeah, tap in with me, Stylist John. I can get you fly. I'm building a solid, strong team or different teams, and I'm definitely looking to travel all over the St. Louis area and also other states. www.stylistjohn.com.